Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to replace a light bulb, the headlight bulb for a Ford Explorer. Here I have a 2015 Ford Explorer. It's quite easy to do once you know how to do it. You don't have to really take it to a mechanic. Here, I'll show you. So what you need to do, you see there, that is the headlight chamber. It has like a rubber cap. So you have to find it and then just pull the cap out, just like that. See how we are doing it here? Just like that. Pull that cap out. Yes. Now, stick your hand inside. It's good to wear gloves while working on this. You will find the bulb assembly, turn it like a counterclockwise and pull it out. And, okay, this is the new bulbs that I'm going to replace it with. There is a small clip, where the bulb attaches to its, the holder. So push that clip and just pull out the bulb. Yeah, just, you'll figure it out. Just pull out the bulb. There it is. And take the new bulb and push it into that socket or the holder. It'll just clip right there and it'll get locked. It's not easy because you cannot see exactly what you're doing with all the other parts in there, but you just have to kind of do it. Okay, then now the bulb is in its place. You push it back inside the chamber. You will figure it out once you put it in the slot and kind of lock it in place. Turn it, clockwise and lock it in place. Yeah, just like that. Make sure it is sitting tight in there. That's pretty much it. Once that is done, take the cap back and cover that chamber. Put the cap back. Yep. I know it takes time, but yeah, that's all you need to do. Yeah, the cap is sitting back in its position. Let's make sure it is pushed in all the way and it is tightly secured. And yep, that's all you need to do. So the headlight bulb is now replaced with the new one. Now I'm going to do the right side. Exactly the same method. I am pulling out the cap from the right side bulb, headlight chamber. Sticking my hand in there. Taking out the bulb and the holder. Again, pushing that clip and pulling out the old bulb. Now taking this new bulb and sticking into its position in that holder. I wish Ford made it more easy. Seriously. There's not much room to work in there. You just have to have some patience and do it. Okay, the bulb is in its holder. Now put it back into the chamber. Give it a clockwise twist. Make sure it's tight and it is sitting there. Yeah, I'm trying to do that. Okay. Yeah, I think it is tight and sitting in its position. All you now need to do is to cover the cap, put it back in its place, and once it's in its place, you're all done. Replacing both the bulbs, it takes actually less than 10 minutes. Maybe like 2 or 3 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes for the first one. The second one, you will do it much faster. I just showed this video in real time. It was just like under 3 minutes, I should say. That's it. The cap is in its place and we're all done, folks. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please post a comment and I will respond as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.